Hello everyone and welcome to this unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. So this is just the transmitter only, just the microphone. We're going to give it a wee unbox and see how it goes. I'm recording this now using the DJI Mic 2. So I thought I'd just treat myself, try and get something that's maybe a little bit smaller, a little bit more discreet. We'll see how it goes, see if there's much of a difference. So as I say, I've just went for the one that's just the microphone only, which was around about £49. I think some days on Amazon it went down to 44. So I thought I'd give it a bash. So let's unbox it and see what we get inside. So this is the box. Let's see what comes inside of it. So you can see on the back there's a couple of things that come with it. So I've already broke the seal, so let's open it and see. Put the box to the side. So nice plastic. And yeah, so that's the carry pouch. Just a wee small number there. So nice zip. And all the bits and bobs inside. So I'll just go through them as we go. So, wow, that is the microphone. That is absolutely tiny. A USB-A to USB-C. I'm more of a USB-C to USB-C guy these days, so I tend not to use these cables too often. And look who's decided to join the review. This little cat. Do you want to say hello? Oh, there we go. Oh. Yep, so, yep. Don't mind us, Willow. Just doing a review here. She loves licking plastic, so yep, not surprised she's came up. So yeah, before we get interrupted by the cat there, I was saying I'm not really a fan of USB-A to USB-C cables. I tend to have all my plugs in USB-C now, so these kind of become a wee bit redundant for me. I wish more places would move to USB-C to USB-C. But I do appreciate a lot of plugs still in like planes and hotels are still USB-A, which yeah, is what it is. So if I just put that back in. And here we have a couple of muffs just to protect the speaker in the wind. So I'm not sure, grey and black, not sure what the difference between the two is. And then we have the docking station. So I think that's pretty much it, what you get in the kit. So it's not that much, to be fair to it. So yeah, pretty small. So what I'll do is I'll maybe do a wee mic test and add it in at the end of this video and see if you can hear the difference. Let's do a wee mic test. So for this part of the clip, I'm talking into the DJI Mic 2. And what I'm going to do is switch this microphone out and we're going to clip the DJI Mic Mini and see if you can tell if there's much difference between the two. No processing in the audio, raw from the camera, which is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hello, I'm back. I've got the DJI Mic Mini connected to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this is just a wee test of the sound to the previous clip. So can anyone tell the difference? Is there much difference? Bear in mind, for most of the DJI cameras, all you need to do is spend, that was £49, and you get what I think is probably going to be a good sounding microphone. So I'm interested to hear what it sounds like in the edit. So yeah, there you go. That's the Mic Mini. And just a wee size comparison. Put that on there. Quite a different footprint, I'd say. I would say definitely it feels like the Mic Mini is not going to drag your jumper or t-shirt down as far. It's definitely a lot smaller. So yeah, I'm interested to see how it sounds. I'm looking forward to using this because it's a bit less bulky as the DJI Mic 2, albeit this is a fantastic microphone. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.